Icelander in Vancouver, Canada, and I am about to name every single town in Iceland. I want to thank you guys for showing me love on the last one where I named every municipality in the country. This one's going to be a little bit tougher, so let's get straight into it. Reykjavik, the capital. Kópavogur, Hafnarfjörður, Akureyri in the north, Reykjanesbær, Garðabær, Selfoss, Mosfellsbær, Akranes, Vestmannaeyjar, Seltjarnarnes, Ísafjörður, Borgarnes, that's down there, Grindavík, Sauðárkrókur, I know has a lot of people. Stykkishólmur is way down there. Hveragerði, Álftanes, Þorlákshöfn, Egilsstaðir in the east, Dalvík is in the north, Húsavík is also in the north, Neskaupstaðir in the east, Höfn is also in the southeast, Grundarfjörður, Siglufjörður, Seyðisfjörður, Reyðarfjörður, Ólafsfjörður is in the north, Eskifjörður. We can go to the west fjords now. Tálknafjörður, Hnífsdalur, Flateyri, Bolungarvík, Suðureyri, Þingeyri, Reykhólar, Búðardalur, and Hólmavík. We can do Vík as well. Stokkseyri, Eyrarbakki, Bakkafjörður, there we go. Laugar, Laugarbakki, and Laugarvatn. That gives us 3 there. Drangsnes. Let's go to the north now and do Hvammstangi, Blönduós, Hofsós, Skagaströnd. By Egilsstaðir we have Fellabær. In the south we have Kirkjubæjar, Rustur, Hella, Volsvöllur, Flúðir, Reykholt, Reykjahlíð. I think most of those are in the south. Djúpivogur, Breiðdalsvík is also in the east. Vopnafjörður also there. Raufarhöfn, Þórshöfn. What am I missing over there? Sandgerði, Hauganes, that's also in the north. Svalbarðseyri, Grenivík, Grundarhverfi. Bifröst is also close. Hrafnagil, let's do the 2 islands. Hrísey, Grímsey, Borgarfjörður, Vogar, Garður. Hafnir is also there. Hellissandur on the Snæfellsnes Peninsula. So is Rif, Fáskrúðsfjörður. Varmahlíð. Kópasker is in the northeast. Súðavík, Hvanneyri, Draugsfjörður. We've done that too. Oh, we haven't done that. Bíldudalur. Good. Okay. Stöðvarfjörður. One more. What is it? It has 970 people. That's not small. 900 people. It's not Stykkishólmur. Fjörður, no. Síðan Ólafsvík. Holy shit.